Hello, Raziq. Can you hear me? I cannot hear. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Okay. Okay, today we're going to do decimals. Your other friends have started decimals, so if I don't go through with you, you will be a little bit lost. So let me just run through some stuff here. This is actually from the B book. What book are you using? You're using my pals are here, is it? Are you using my pals? Yeah, okay. So this is another book. Okay. Now, I'm going to run through you shortly. Okay, but this what we're going to do is called decimals. Okay, you have learned decimals before, so I'm going to show you now what decimals are. Hello, brother. How are you? Okay, now, so if you have an exercise book, you copy this. You copy this. Okay. Okay. 1, 3, 6, 7, 2, 4, 5. And we put a dot down here. Okay, you can look at this. First of all, have you learned decimals? You have learned decimals. So let's say now you go to the shop, you buy something for $1.25. This is decimal. Decimal has a point. Okay, a point out here. Now, how do we identify? You must identify the ones. Which one is in the ones place? Do you know? You don't know. Okay. So you write the number $1. $1, you can see 1 is in the ones place. It is just beside the dot, to the left of the dot. So to the left of the dot, this is ones. Now ones down here, we write ones. Beside it, you know, is tens. But over here, it's also tens, but it's the different form of 10. It's called tenth. Okay, this is tenth. What's the difference? This 6 is 6 times 10, you get 60. All right. This one is 6 divided by 10. 10 means it's over 10 divided by 10. This one is 6 times 10. Okay. Down here, so you have ones, tens, tenths. Then beside it is 100. Hundreds. And down here is 100 with a TH. So same thing. What is 100? Is 3 times 100, which is 300. This one is 4 divided by 100. Can you see now? Over here now, you can times by 10, times by 100. Now here you divide by 10, divide by 100. That's why there's a TH. And the last one we are looking at is thousands. Of course, at primary 4, you're learning up to 10,000. Primary 5, you learn million. So again, this is 1 times 1,000. It's 1,000. Down here now, same thing as 1,000, but it's divided by 1,000 with a TH. 5 divided by 1,000. You must know this, okay? If you know this, then you can do. So what to know? You must know where is the ones. If you don't know where the one is, you'll be lost. Okay, if you can take down this one for a while, ones. Besides tens, then tenth. Beside the tens is 100, then 100. Beside the 100 is thousands, then thousandth. Okay. Once you're ready, are you okay? You understand? Okay. Can I show you the screen now? You try to do this one, or you are doing copying still? Copying. Yeah, you haven't learned. Yes, of course. This is B book. I'm teaching you first. So when you go to school, you will be able to be champion. And like all the other students are also doing the same. Okay, because now we can catch up. We can go faster than the teacher. Okay. I know you have not learned. How do you do for your maths exam? Do you know? Your result? Don't know yet. Okay, never mind. We go here. This is the one. Now you learn fraction already. So I'm going to show you fraction. This one is 3 out of 10, correct? So 3 out of 10. Let us look down here now. This is 10 now, T-E-N-T-H. Can you see down here? 10th. It's 1 after the dot. 1 after dot. So now we look again. Down here. So what does it mean? Can you look at it? 1 after the dot. This is ones. Beside the dot, is ones. Then it's tenths. Can see now? 0.3. So you can change to decimal. Now, if you're confused now, I'll give you a way. Later on, you can see now 10, there's 1 0, right? So you put one space here. The next one is 100. The next one is 1,000. Okay, never mind. We try this one first. You try. You can write on the screen because it's only one person. You can write on the screen. Okay, you can write on the screen. You know how to write on the screen now? Can write on the screen. You know how to write? Don't know. You go to annotate. You try to find annotate. Can get no annotate. And the buttons there. Maybe I have to show you annotate now. I'll take a photo. I'll show you annotate now. Tak boleh lah. Okay, if not, never mind. You send me by message. Okay, you send me by message lah. You know how to message me, kan? The answer. Now you can annotate. Okay, good. So annotate down here. What's the fraction? What's the decimal? Can write now. You write your fraction first down here. What is it? You count the fraction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you put 8 on top. Below is what? Over how many? 8 over? Yes. Okay, good. 8 over 10. Then decimal, what's the decimal? You write in decimal. What's the decimal? Down here, you write down here lah. Decimal. If you forgot, I'll show you down here. You can see now. 3 over 10 is 0.3. 8 over 10 is, what is the decimal? Apa itu? You're confused, eh? What?
Is it 1.8?
1.8? No. Okay, 0. Okay, 0.8. Okay, now why 0? Why 0? I'll show you now. Okay. Now down here, I have a pizza. This pizza, then I got another half lah down here. I got another half. This one is 1 whole. This is half, right? So become 1.5. But if I remove this one, I don't even have 1 whole. It's only half. So just now you had how many? You had the whole thing like that. Remember? You are like that, right? Then it's all shaded like that. So then it's 8 over 10, correct? So it's not even 1 whole. So now down here, this one is equals to what? Okay, it's something point something. In front here, you must put 0 because there's not even 1 whole. Put 0. So 0.8. Why? Because this is ones. This is tenths. This is tenth. 8 tenths. Okay, you try the next one. I'll show you now. You try the next one. You try the next one. B and C. Apa? No problem. I can erase for you, okay? Don't worry. Okay, there's an eraser so I can, okay. Yes. Good. Over 10, good. Okay, then what is it in decimal? What is it in decimal? Well done. You try the bottom one, C. You try C. Yeah, 0.6. Okay, accepted. No problem because it's difficult to write. No issue. What about C? Can you see the C? Okay. What is it? Okay, again, I'll wrap for you. Okay. There's a rubber sign down there. Or 9 over 10. Okay, good. So 9 over 10. Beside it is what? Beside it is... Oh, sorry. What happened to that? How do I? Sorry. Okay, beside it is what? Sorry, you're right. Beside it. 9 over 10. Beside it is 0. You just write now. What point what? You right now.
You won't let me draw.
Why? What happened? Abang don't kacau lah, abang. Yesterday you had your tuition already. You going kacau him. What happened? Abang ni bully ah. Okay, 0.9. Okay, you get it. Okay, so 0.9. This is decimal. That's all there is to it, Raziq. So as we go further, inshallah, you get better and better, faster and faster. So now they want you to try this one. You try. So Raziq, when are you starting your online studies, your school? What happened? Apa abang buat ni? Abang jangan bully lah adik. Today? Oh, you started today Abang also Abang also, okay.
No,
you did not.
From last year.
From last year, ya Allah. Okay then, okay. Can you write down? Don't need to write fraction. You can go straight to decimal if you're comfortable. If you're not comfortable, you write. Yeah, okay. So you're comfortable. So 0.9, good. Below it, unshaded. Apa itu? Okay, 0.9, correct. Unshaded is what? How? Okay, good. Very clear. Well done. One ke zero kan? Okay, let's say zero lah. Because there's no one over there. Unshaded something. Okay, zero. Okay, all right. Okay, good. 0.0. 0. Unshaded means the white part, this one. 0.1, good. Okay, well done, well done. You try now the next one. Shaded, unshaded. This one, B. You try this one. Okay, don't worry about all this. I can rub it off very fast. Can you try B? Good. And the next one. Okay, good. So by 6, well done. Okay, 0.5. Well done, well done. Okay. So we move on again. This one. This one they're asking you for the value. So can you try? Let's try A lah. Okay. Can you write what's the answer for 3? What does the digit 3? What's the value of the digit 3? Okay. Value of digit 3. I think you know how to do, but let me just see. What is that? The value of digit 3. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, no problem. Watch. I just take out the 3, it becomes 30. Because remember, this is ones. This is ones. Remember, beside the dot is ones. Then beside here is tens. Then remember, I ask you, what does this side mean? It means 3 times 10. 3 times 10, 30. Yeah. Then this one, no. Okay. So down here, this is 10th. Then remember, I show you, this one down here is divided by 10. 9 divided by 10. That's the value, but we write it as 0.9. Now, how to write as 0.9? Now we can see what here. 35.9. Can you see it? 35.9. We just take out the 9. We put the 0 in front. Apa itu? What is that? Okay. So down here is 0.9. This one is 5. You try the next one. You try B now. You try B. You try B. Can? Okay, good. Good. That was correct. 0. Good. Okay, 0.2. Then the next one, what about 4? Cannot. Can, right? Yes, 4 is 4. Okay, good. And the next one, the last one, 6 is what? Okay, 4, good. What about 6? What's the value of 6? 60, good. Well done. Okay, so I think like that you can get full marks for your studies. No problem. Okay, now we're talking about place. What place are they in? So which one is ones place, which one is a tens place, which one is yeah, and so on. Can you just write them? 6 is in what place? Remember, in order to do this, you need to identify the ones first. Okay, good. You know what is the ones place. Well done. So 6 is in the. Okay, good. So far, that seems to be correct. Okay, the last one. The last one. What happened? The next one is just same lah, same. But you have add a TH. Yes. Yeah. Aduh, Sanya. That's a TH. Maybe you need have a mouse lah. It can be difficult. So this one is. Oh, you have a mouse. You have a mouse. I don't have a mouse, so sometimes it's difficult. You also canggih mouse. So what about the 6? What place is it in? Okay, well done. That's it. Congratulations. Means you are okay. Okay, we don't need to. This one also, can you just fill in very quickly just to see whether you are, this is just revision. First one, which digit? You just give one digit. It's in the ones place. That's why they ask ones first. Which one is in the ones place? What is it? 6. Okay, 6 is correct. Okay, correct. Consider correct. Okay. B, what about B? B. Good. And the last one? Good. Well done. Okay, so you are a champion now, mister. You are champion. Okay, now you try. See, this is a little bit tough, but you try. Okay, most of the time, many of them cannot do, but I just want to see whether you can do it. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, now, first one. Okay, come. 10 tens like this. Okay, when they say tens, means, as what I say, you have to divide by 10. Well, how to divide by 10? Like this. 10, 10 over 10 lah. Apa ni? It's a happy smile. Okay, so down here, you get 10 over 10. Which is what? Which is one whole. Which is one whole, okay? Now, how to write it? So now when you have tens down here, remember you must put dot 1 0 here. One blank on here. You dot and one blank. So put the last one, the 0, put at the end, and then beside it the 1, 1.0. This is 10 tens. It's the same as 1. You try now 15. Can you try 15? What is that you're drawing? Not bad lah. You can draw squarish and all that. Come, Raziq. Question B. Come. Try question B. Later once we reach 5:30 or 5:35, I'll show you a video I showed your brother. He sort of find it very funny now. Okay, so now down here you see this tens, there must be a space after that. A space after that. This 5 you put it, yes, correct. Correct, yeah? So the 5 you put here, the 1 you put here, 1.5. You must be able to see, once they say 10, okay, I'm going to just rub off this one. Okay, we make it large lah. So I'm going to make it large, watch, Okay. Now once they say, anytime they say tens, how many tens? You make sure there's one decimal place. Down here, put a dot on here. Finish it. Put a dot on here. So that you have tens. You must have tens. Just make sure you put a dot and then it's tens here. Okay, you try the next one. Okay, you try C now. Now I know it might be a little bit, if you're confused, it's okay. We'll make sure that we revisit this. Can you try? C. You're still confused. Okay, no problem. Come. Thank you for telling me the truth. Now that's very important. Okay, you must tell me. You don't understand, must tell me. Okay. Now, okay, let's see. We learn how to change. See, 7 over 10, 7 over 100. Now 10 is 1 0. So remember what I said, put a dot, one space. This 100 got 2 zeros. So put a dot, 2 spaces. Put the 7 at the end. Put 7 at the end. Before that, put a 0, 0.7. This one 0.07. Watch again, 2 zeros, put 2 blanks. Then the dot. 1 0, put 1 blank and the dot. Now we try another one. We're gonna try until you are able to see the pattern. You must be able to see the pattern. Let's say now put 87 over 100. 87 over 10. Same thing. 2 zeros, put dot, 1 2 spacing. Put the 7 in the first one, 8 in the next one, 0.87. Down here now, 1, 0, put 1 space. Put 7 in the first one, 8 in the next one, down here, 8.7. Do you get it? Okay, you get it, now? Okay, we try. Oh, you got the answer already so fast. Well done. You are very fast, huh? Okay, now you try this now. 110, 6 ones. Imagine you do 110, 6 ones, how much? You know how to do this. 110, 6 ones, you already know. You just put the 810. If you don't know, you do this one first. You don't know, do this one first. One ten is 6 ones, how much? Good. Then yes, well done. Well done. You do the next one now. You know how to do already. D. Yeah. Good. Well done. E. Well done. Last one. F. Not 60 tens. Not 60 tens. Yes, just 6 tens. Good. That's it. Okay, I'm going to show you what I show your brother. Okay. To be fair. In fact, what I showed many students. Just a moment. Let me just find the clip. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Okay. You saw how fast the guy was, though. Huh? You see how fast somebody, the lady pengsan, no? You see, how fast the guy was. Oh. Okay, they don't want get all the virus from the COVID, and he just responded very fast. Allahu Akbar. The poor makcik, you saw the makcik pingsan, because got sprayed in the face, you know. You try this one. I think you are able to do it. If you can't do it, I'll show you. Maybe I'll show you the first one. I'll show you the first one. The 5.3, how to do 5.3. Oh, you know. But you plus 3, you get 8, right? 5 plus 3, you get 8. So how? What is it? See, 5.3. That's the n. So 5 plus what? You must arrange properly. 5 plus what equals to 5.3? Oh, see, I put 0.3 lah. So 5 plus 0 is 5. This 0.3 lah down here. Can see now. How do I plus? I will arrange it like that. 3 plus 0 is 3. There's nothing to add, so put 3 here. Then put the dot. 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay. So this one, and okay, you got it. Correct. Well done. 2 is correct. Next one. Okay, correct. C. What was C? 2 is correct, not 20, yeah? Not 20. 2 is correct. Good, see. Okay, well done. D. Okay, correct, well done. D. Good, well done. E. Okay, good. 0.6, eh? 125.6, correct. And your last one, F. Well done. Very good, Faris. Razik, not Faris. Razik. Very good. Okay, you are champion now. You're champion. Okay. You write down what is the answer for this one. Fraction in decimal. Well done. Good. You know how to count. Well done. Okay. We don't. I don't need to teach you that. You try to move on to the next one. Mom, this one. 5.9. Okay, let us look clearly. Yeah. This is not 9. You see, I don't know if they can see. This is the 5 mark. 5 mark. 5. So 5 point, not even 5.5. It's one less than 5.5. 5.6, not 5.6. Not 5.6. See, 5 is here. 5.4 good. Okay, 5.4 good. Okay. You need to wash your face now. You need to wash your face. Go and wash your face like you're tired. We try the next one, huh? Not. Hey, why you take not to take? What is the mass of the bottle of water? Come on. 1 point. Okay, good. Well done. Very easy for you, lah. Okay, next one. 2 point. 2 point. If you cannot see, I will enlarge it. 2.5. Good. Wow, so far you are super. You say you have not studied this topic, you can do.
Yeah, I haven't.
Yeah, but you can do. Alhamdulillah, that means you are very intelligent. You can do. You can absorb fast. You can serap very fast. So you must make sure that you do very well. Lah. But today we are doing maths only. Next week we'll do maths and English. Lah. Today because I need you to catch up with decimal. Lah.
I fail my English.
Your English. How do you do for English?
Bad.
You don't like English.
I failed.
Fail your English. You must make sure you take photo of the paper and then ask your mom to scan to me, can send to me. I want to check. So I need to teach you.
No.
Must teach you vocab and all lah. Inshallah next week, okay? But today because we need to, when you are attending Monday's class, right? So Monday's class there'll be decimals also. So I need you to attend. No, you're not gonna attend. Why you don't attend? The other day you didn't attend, huh? How come? Boring, ah. The next day got exam. Okay, come. Okay, come.
Yeah, because I have to revise for my science exam, which is just passed.
Just pass.
I mean, last week.
Last week, okay. No problem, no problem. Okay, we go pay,
That's why I
by.
cannot join.
No problem, no problem. Yeah, because you need to revise, otherwise we always. Huh? Okay, we try,
Okay.
we try. We try. What is the, this one, remember, it's not even 1 liter. Huh? Okay. Good, well done. Okay, so we, come on, cannot. You know why I cleared that way? This one now. How much is this? Be careful, huh?
You can just press clear one.
You do not want me to press clear, huh? Okay, I can not press clear because that time was jammed, huh? Now I see like that, aduh, I get headache, huh? I get a double headache, huh? Okay, try now. What's the number? Well done. That means you understand. Down here, okay, if we go smaller, this one there's no one hole.
Using my finger.
Using a finger. Then you're writing what? iPad. Why are you using?
Laptop.
Wow. Your finger is quite good. Okay. Can you try this? Okay, that means from at A. What's A in fraction and decimal? (0.9) A, good, well done. And in terms of fraction, this is 9/10. On the 10, good. 9, well done. Okay, try B. Good, 1.8. Okay, well done. And in fraction, what is it? Correct. Good, well done. Well done, well done. Okay, good. What number on top? Cannot. Put the 8 on top. Put the 8 on top, huh? You okay, kan? Okay, you try the next one. Okay, put the 8 on top. You try question B now. Don't jumping, don't jumping. Try B. We get something. Okay. Hey, come we do the next one lah. Don't chunting lah. I just go for a while you chunting. Habis lah. I have special power. Okay, come.
I already see.
See, you did. Then I saw chunting. I'm so sorry. Okay, what's the answer? You tell me what's the answer. 8 point. 8 point. Just tell me answer for C and D down here. Don't need to tell me.
Sorry, I
8.4. Then 9. Then the next one is 10.3. Is it? Or 7?
8.
8.4. Okay, correct. Next one, D. Just tell me an answer. Just tell me an answer. Just tell me.
This one.
Yeah, D. Ini. No, no need fraction. No need fraction. We just do decimal.
9.3.
9.3. Yes. Dot is we say as point. Okay, all this you need to learn because next time you buy a house, you must know about all this. The interest rate, whatever it is, they teach you. You must learn. Okay,
that's fun.
Hey, I cannot see, guy. How come? This one. Now we go to 100. You try. Fraction decimal. Can you try this? You'll be ahead of the class. Good. So what's the decimal for this? Remember I showed you how to do that, yeah? If you forgot, okay, can you see? You can see my screen? You know how to do this one, right? 2 zeros, 2 spaces. Okay, what's the decimal? 3 over 100. What's the decimal? That's 3 tenths. No, that's 30/100. Now look this one. Okay.
Is it 0.3?
No, 0.3 is 3 tenths. You see 0 is 3 tenths down here. Down here now, you see you count. 2 zeros must put 2 spaces. Put the last digit and the last space. This digit, this one. Hey, Mister, what happened? Come back. Mister, what happened? You baring and tidur. Ya Allah, jangan tidur lah. Oh, you look as if you're on the bed. No, you're a curtain, you know. It's a curtain. Come, you try. Okay, I'll show you again, huh?
Is it 0.3? I don't understand.
No, okay. Okay, I'll write for you a fraction first, huh? This one, 3 over 100. Okay, what is this? 1020. So put dot, 1 space, 2 space. Put the 3 down here. 3. Then the rest must put 0. 0.03. Remember, this is ones.
I just said 0.03 just now.
I heard you say 0.30. Okay, never mind. My apologies. Now you show me you can do this one now. You try. That's the only way to prove.
Okay, I'm done. No. I mean, what I mean by that is
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Please erase this.
Erase which one? You want me to erase for you?
The
Or this one?
first. Just
Okay. Well done.
I use my finger.
My finger, good. Means what? You write on your laptop. What brand is your laptop? You can
No,
write.
I just tap like on the screen.
Oh, on the screen. Okay. Okay, come. The next one.
Not all computer can.
Yeah. What is your brand of your computer? Is it Apple? Apa itu?
I
Never
can't. I cannot check because Faris go and put sticker on the.
Brother. Funny guy lah, brother. You see a good abang to you? No. Why you say that?
He like to bully me.
You must. Then how do you tell your mother?
Never tell.
Why?
Fight back until I get punched in the face 100.
Oh, okay, good. Fight back. That's the way. Even in school also, don't allow yourself to be bullied. If adults bully you, must tell your parents lah. Okay.
I got
Huh? You got
by
bullied?
a damn. Oh,
By what?
I got bullied by a girl.
Oh. Then how? Sometimes when you get bullied by a girl,
It's me.
sometimes that is the difficult part because girls normally they can cry, then after we cannot frame, So you try to make sure that you have a witness, inshallah should be okay.
Yeah, I'm scared of her because she likes to try to break my arm.
Huh? Are you sure? But she's
She
not
always
sure.
tried. She is.
This what? Maybe it's just I do not know lah.
Well, I fight with her 2 times.
You fight is in physically fight. You beat her. No. Got to be careful, Because if the girl did beat the boy, they say okay, but boy beat the girl, then become problem.
I know.
Yeah, so you got to be. So girls are, especially when you grow up a little
Cannot
bit.
protect.
Yeah. That's right. So sometimes the only way is to run away from them and just tell the teacher, teacher, this girl is beating me, or you get some witness or something. Because sometimes do not know whether they are serious or not. Okay, come.
And she also bring a pen knife inside her bag.
Aduh. She's what? Chinese girl, Malay girl, Indian girl. Don't know. Mixed girl.
Usually she stay in Thailand.
Oh, Thai. Maybe she doesn't know how to mix with the rest. Does she do that to the others? Yeah. Then maybe you must tell the teacher lah. Tell the teacher, but sometimes teachers also don't take any action. But anyway, okay, you try C then. C. Can you try C?
I cannot see anything.
Are you sure? Okay. I will close the screen and start again. Are you serious, right? Okay, now I can see. Can see. You try now. See.
Every time you close, I need to on.
You need to on one.
I need to go press the
button. Oh, so sorry, I didn't know that. So there's no, you cannot see. Then how? So during the tuition, I always do that, right? So you have to start again. You know why? Because sometimes there's too many chonting. It takes too long a time. So I just zoop.
I don't even know how to chonting.
You know how to counting?
But now I know how.
Oh. But don't counting during class. The class don't counting because so many people. You counting, everyone counting. I got to discipline them. This one now is 1 to 1. It's not so bad. Okay.
At first, I don't know how they counting.
Then how do you just learn today? What? Yeah.
But why they learn?
Why? Why then? Hey, come, we do have just another 8 minutes more. Come, let's try C and D and we finish it lah. It's only 1 hour only. You know how to count the
Counting.
apa ini? So this one is something. Okay, you tell me now. In terms 1 over 100, yes. Yes. Good. In decimal, please. Decimal. Decimal.
I don't know.
You okay? So now down here, watch This one now, when you have 100, remember you must have dot with the 2 spaces. 1, 2. Now, how many hole is there? There's 1, so you write 1 here. 9, you put at the end here. And now you have 0 lah, 1.09. Can you try the next one? You try the next one. You try the next one.
Is that 20?
Yeah, always because it's over 100. What?
Why did you scroll?
Oh, why did I scroll? Because you want to look at D kan? Is it better like that? Good. $37 over 100 because there's 100 squares. So 1 and 37 or 100 is the same as what in decimal? Come on. Come on, Faris. Hey, not Faris, Raziq. See, I get confused. Come on, you got it right already. But not 0 point. Down here is 1 big hole. You got 1 big hole here, so it must be 1 point. 1.1. Yeah, right for you, yeah. This one is 1 hole. This one is 37 over 100. So it's 1.37. Why 0.37? 1, 2, for the 2 zeros. Okay. You try now. I wanna close by the thing I did not know. Okay. Can you try question 5? We have 4 minutes left. Come on. Number 5. What is it? Up. You want to go up. Okay, you want to do this, okay? Pen also. Apa terjadi? Jangan cunting-cunting. Okay, all right, thank
Okay,
you.
you can continue now.
So how? This is not. You must identify what is the ones place first. What is in the ones place? So remember, ones is always to the left of the dot. So this is ones place. Right, ones place. Beside is 10 and 10th. After that is 100. But no, they ask you for place. You must write the position, not the value. You're writing value. What place is this? Okay, so this one is ones, tenth, tenth, then hundredth, hundredth. The next one is 100. So down here is, this is not 10. 10 is number 6. Because ones, tens, hundreds. Get it? So number 8, 8, aduh, 8 is in the hundreds place. 6 in the 10th place. 3 in the ones place. And 5 is in the 10th place. So how are you now? Are you okay? You can do, right? Mister can do, right? Mister, are you there? Okay, cannot hear you lah because you're on mute. You must unmute yourself lah. Then we can talk. Okay, so we'll end here today. All right. Next week we'll do half of it English. Okay, because I need you to catch up with what you missed. So decimals you're okay already. Okay. I cannot hear what you're saying.
Okay, bye.
Okay, Assalamualaikum.